Okay. Okay. We'll see what happens over here. Give me the thumbs up when you're ready, competitor. Somebody, I think, knows what they're doing around here. There's a lot of modifications going on in that vehicle.
I don't want to be on video.
I think a helium bottle came out.
Why can't it be like that? You need a windshield guy or what?
Whoa. We're getting guys on windshields around here. Okay, we have some crazy technique going on over here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh!
We have a...
Oh!
Oh! We have a little something going on here.
Use him a windshield! How many times have you been up there?
Prabuki is a veteran, but I think this is the first time he may have blew a windshield. That system is loud. Okay, competitor.
Can I get a video of this? This thing's a good shatter.
Did everybody just hear that? One windshield just blew up with no dB so far.
Yeah!
Dave,
that's the second one this year.
second one this year. Was Peter the contributing factor to this windshield?
I think so.
Both times? Okay, competitor, give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Are you ready, competitor?
Hey, Daddy, so don't start it. You fall through on.
Ready? Okay, let's let her hang. 140.4, 142.0. This is 210s we're dealing with over here, guys. 142.0.
I think it's done.
I know.
Oh, I think the volume had to be turned up a little bit.
I think the windshield needs to be replaced. Oh no.
Can't believe it just broke.
We're blowing windshields out with 142.0 decibels. This is unreal.
It's just started. Never before seen.
Huh?
Stepped on it. That's it.
They just stepped on it, it just went crack.
Wow. How
cheap is that one?
We can get you a new windshield probably in there for about 150 bucks. We know, guy. He puts in the good stuff.
I was gonna say, yeah, maybe that was the problem.
Okay, Dave's doing some modification.
That crack should go
Turning
all
on the
over
oxygen
if he
bottle
burps over
or the
50.
nitrous or something.
How is this guy holding Peter's feet?
Okay, we're going for round two. Competitor ready? Thumbs up. Okay, give her 142.0 at present. Whoa, 153.4. That windshield crack did make a difference. Okay, Mike. Everybody, let's give a round of applause. That is the biggest number thus far with 153.4 out of 210s. And I don't even know how much power, but that's a lot of power. Really nice score, Dave.